In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import products from Shopify to Etsy. This process helps you expand your reach by selling your Shopify products directly on Etsy. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store dashboard, look toward the left side menu and click on Apps. This section allows you to install integrations and tools that connect Shopify with other platforms. Now use the search bar to search for Etsy integration apps. Look for the app called Etsy Integration by QuickSync and click on it. You'll now be taken to the app page where you can review its features and integration details. Next, click Install to add the app to your Shopify store. Shopify may ask you to approve permissions so the app can access your products, inventory, and store information. Simply review the permissions and continue with the installation. After the app is installed, you may be asked to choose a pricing plan depending on how many products you want to sync between Shopify and Etsy. Select the plan that best fits your store needs and continue. Next, connect your Etsy account by signing in and authorizing the integration between both platforms. Once the connection is complete, the app will guide you through the product import setup process. You'll now be able to select which Shopify products you want to import to Etsy. The app can automatically transfer product titles, descriptions, prices, images, and inventory details from Shopify to your Etsy shop. Before completing the sync, review your product information carefully to make sure everything appears correctly. You can also perform a small test import first to confirm the listings look good on Etsy before syncing your entire catalog. After the import process finishes, your products will appear in your Etsy store and become available for customers to purchase. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to import products from Shopify to Etsy. Thanks for watching and goodbye.